Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and welcome to the wigs I wore in October. Okay, I'm starting out with my pink hair because October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and as you know, I am a breast cancer survivor, so I have worn my pink hair on and off all October. I have 4 different pink wigs, I believe, and my grandson loves it when I wear my pink hair, so I wore it a lot in October. So I'm going to start out with it. Now, as you know, this is not a wig review. This is just a short overview of all the wigs. Well, let me say that again. Some of the wigs I wore in October. I don't have time to show you all of them. We'd be here all day and you don't have time for that. So I'm just going to show you a few. But like I said, we're going to start with this one. If you want to know more about these wigs, if you want to see them in indoor and outdoor lighting, if you want to see the cap construction, just go to the drop down box below this video and I will link my full videos of all of these. So you can see everything about each one of these wigs in great detail. But this is just going to be fun. I just want to go quickly through some of these wigs that I wore in the month of October. This Dare to Be from Raquel Welch. Such a popular wig. They cannot keep this wig in stock. So many people like this wig. It's fun, it's cute, it's pink. I mean, what more could you want? I love the style of this. I love a bob, and this is just a perfect length. It's nice. It comes under the chin, and look at all the different highlightings and the fun different color shades of pink. Don't let anybody tell you not to wear pink hair. If you want to wear pink hair, wear it and enjoy it. I wear mine out. I get tons of compliments with this hair. It's just fun. It lightens my mood. I just think, why not? Okay, let's move on to one that I am finding myself reaching for so much lately. This is Margu Renee 60101 GR. I reviewed this wig and I had a lot of really good feedback on it. Now, this is a hand-tied cap. Like I said, you want to see all about it, just check out my video. But it has a good bit of hair here, not thick, not overdone. There's no permatease, of course. It has a little bit of a wave in it. And I have just found myself reaching for this wig because you can see what I do. I put it on my head. I play with it just a little bit. Look at this lace front. Margu, they know how to do a lace front. And you can just throw this on and you are out the door. Has a nice longer nape on this. This fits me a little large. Margu wigs fit me a little large. So if you have, and I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. So if you have a head that's a little larger than that, you might consider these. And wow, what a beautiful wig. All right, let's move on to Ellen Villa Girl Mono. And this color, Stone Gray Rooted. It has been popular for them. New color for them. Now, Girl Mono is one of my favorite wigs. And just for, again, this reason. You throw it on. You run your hands through it. I put always a little water through my wigs. You know that. I just like to. It tames the flyaways. It also just helps you separate these fibers just a little. Don't have to. Just my way. But I like it. And wow, do I love Girl Mono. And this color, I don't know how you can beat this color. Stone Gray Rooted. Okay, let's move on to Belle Tress Bona Vita in Root Beer Float Blonde. I know we're going through these fast. However, like I said, you can see them. I'll put them all in the drop down box. Look, this bob is so pretty. I think Bona Vita is such a wearable shade. And I know I'm telling you, I love every one of these. Well, I do. These are from my personal collection. I pick these up every day. I pick from this collection and I have loved every one of these wigs. So I just want to show you that. You know, all of my wigs are from wigstudio1.com. I review for them. I also buy all my wigs from them that I purchase. Now, I have not steamed this wig, and I haven't steamed it for a reason. I want to show you how this can fall in your face. Now, as you know, I am not a fan of hair that falls into my face. However, and I haven't steamed this yet. I will, but I haven't. I use a little, I have the Control Hair You Wear Control Hairspray. I will pull this off my face. You've seen me do it. And that will keep that off my face. It's not permanent fix, temporary, but it will keep it off my face for the day while I wear it. And then I can steam it when I have time. I have Bona Vita in I don't know how many colors. I like it that much. Okay, let's talk about Envy's Chloe. I've had Chloe for a long time. I have worn this wig many, many times. But I just keep reaching for it because I think it is a nice style. It's a nice length. This color is Sparkling Champagne, one of my favorite Envy colors. Now, Envy fits me a little large, just so you know that. And so I always had to pull the adjusters up on this one. But it has this wave, and I think that is so feminine and pretty, easy to wear. Run your fingers through it just like this. Loosen the fibers. You know, I always tell you, get your fingers down into this cap, pull the fibers away. It'll have more movement, it'll have more natural. I don't like my hair fixed, so I'm gonna mess it up. And I'm out the door. I don't think this wig gets enough love. I really don't. I think Chloe is a really nice style that works for a lot of face shapes. All right, this is Raquel Welch Trendsetter, and this color is Ice Granita. Now, this is a dynamic color, and I tend to like that with something like what I have on, like a jean jacket, something casual, and then this really fun pop of gray. And this gets richer at the bottom, as you see, darker. I like it. I really do. Now, yeah, you put this on, like, okay. But don't give up on it. Get your water bottle out. Give it a good spray. See what you're working with. You can make this work. I like to wear this kind of off my face. It has, like you saw, that full mono. So it does not have any permatease up here, but there's a lot of fiber, so you can get some volume here. You can wear it towards your face. You can wear it off your face. I tend to tuck it behind my ears on both sides and just let it be fun. I don't, like I said, I don't want to fix it. I want it to be just like this. Longer. If you have hair that grows down on your neck, this one is great. Trendsetter. And then with this just darker nape, you are ready to go. This is one that I was late to the game on. This is Estetica Mellow. So many people love this wig. I recently got it. I've had it a few months and I've worn it so many times already. This is R30 2826. And I thought, why have I not had this wig? I can see now why everyone likes it. Throw on and go. I like the curls, I like the waves, the beachy waves, casual, really nice. Really big on me, this wig. I need to really bring in the adjusters more. I have them done a little, but I need to bring them in more because it is very large on me. But this color is gorgeous. I like the reds, as you know. And then going into the fall like this, I think it's so pretty to have some really rich colored wigs, and I think these reds work for me in the fall. If you haven't tried Mellow, have a look at it. I got mine on clearance at Wig Studio One. I got it for a great buy, and I am on the look for another one. All right, I wanted to show you another short one. This is Raquel Welch Chic It Up in SS Golden Wheat. Basic cap. Easy to wear, fun, out of the box style. These Raquel Welch wigs that are just basic caps, I like them. I like them all. I like all Raquel Welch wigs, but I like a basic cap too. But you know, I like permatease. So if you don't, this is not your wig because there is some permatease going on in here. So I'm just letting you know. If you're saying, nope, not for me, I totally understand it. Not everything is. I think it would be so boring if we all wore the same hair, the same color, the same style. No. Wear what you like. Wear what you're comfortable in and enjoy it. This is fun to me because I can really separate it. I can run some product through here and spike this up and make this I can sleek this down, or I can spike it up like this, like I like it. Maybe just to wear a little bit of the bang down, and that's how long it takes to get out the door. Again, I believe I bought this on clearance. Don't miss that clearance section at Wig Studio One. They change it. They add to it every day, sometimes more than once a day. So I am always stalking that clearance section. Okay, Belle Tress. Here's another root beer float blonde. But oh, this wig. This is Caliente hand-tied, and Belle Tress knows how to do hand-tied caps. They really do. This, to me, is a beautiful wig, a special wig. These hand-tied caps are just so luxurious, aren't they? They really are. Fits well. I really don't have to do any adjustment on this one. It fits me really well. It is the beachy wave that everybody loves, and me included. Again, just a little water. I like to tame those flyaways down just a little bit. Get them off my face a little. You can use some hairspray to do this as well. And this lace front is gorgeous. You cannot go wrong with this wig. I have it in the wefted version as well, but like I said, I have picked up this hand-tied, and I'm so glad I did. It's comfortable, it's fashionable, it's easy to wear, and I just don't think you can go wrong. Okay, last but certainly not least, Raquel Welch Editor's Pick in Rusty Auburn. Okay, yes, another beautiful hand-tied cap. Now this one is wefted, covered wefting in the back. I always like to show you that. Rusty Auburn's one of my favorite reds from Raquel Welch. I have a video that shows all the reds, I believe, from them, and I haven't found one I didn't like. I have fallen in love with the reds, and Raquel Welch does some beautiful reds. And of course, Editor's Pick has been around for a while, right? Everybody's probably tried it, and you know why. I mean, look at these curls, these waves. You know, this to me, if you want to wear, you think, oh, I can't wear long hair. Well, this is not long hair. This is, I think, age-appropriate hair. I think anyone can wear this. I think most face shapes, due to the length, can wear this hair. It comes in so many colors. Bestseller for Raquel Welch. If you haven't tried Editor's Pick, now this is Editor's Pick Elite. Like I said, and showed you, it has a hand-tied cap, but there is also a wefted version of this as well. So have a look at Editor's Pick. If you're just wanting something a little longer, easy, you saw I took it out of the box and put it on my head. Easy to wear, easy to style. Have a look at this one. Okay guys, that was just a quick look at some of the wigs I wore in October. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me here. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're not watching me over and following me on Instagram, please do. I have totally different wig content every day on Instagram, so at CrazyWigLady. So I'll see you over there. Thanks so much. See you next time.